prepare the cabin for landing. Ladies and gentlemen, will shortly be landing. Please ensure all cabin bags and personal belongings, including your laptops, are now safely stowed. Your tray tables must be stowed on my standing with the planes open and your seatbelt securely fastened. Please help us by handing in any rubbish or recycling that you do not wish to take with you today. At this time, the toilets are no longer in service. We do ask that you review the safety card found in the seat pocket in front of you, and in the likely event of an emergency, you will come back to your board.
warm welcome here to Glasgow. The time's approaching 3 o'clock. Your electronic devices for course messaging and internet access can now be used if they are within reach. Please do keep your seatbelt fastened and remain seated until the seatbelt sign above you has been switched off. When leaving us today, do make sure you have all your belongings with you. Do check in the seat pockets, under the seat and the overhead lockers. Do be careful when opening the overhead lockers in case anything falls out. Smoking is still not permitted until you reach a designated smoking area. Did you know we also offer an unbeatable price guarantee on our package holidays? Whether it's a city break or a beach holiday you're after, we've got thousands of hand-picked hotels for you. Simply go over to EasyJet Holidays and start planning your next getaway. On behalf of the captain, first officer and this Bristol-based crew, it's certainly been our pleasure looking after you this afternoon. We do wish you a very pleasant onward journey and we look forward to welcoming you back on board in the not too distant future. Thank you and good afternoon.